I love working with the people I worked for. But at some point, it got to the point to where we were kind of tired of building a company for somebody else, and we really wanted to do it for ourselves. Vanessa Van Holland with Restoration 1 of Rancho Cucamonga. We've been in business for about 9 months now.
My name is Vanessa Van Holland, and I am in charge of our sales and marketing division. I came from restoration. That was the previous occupation. I worked for our competitor for just over 5 years, and I fell in love with being able to help people in an emergency situation. I was diagnosed with cancer last year, and I felt like it was a time that really makes you think of the legacy that you want to leave.
With Vanessa coming from the industry, we knew we were going to do restoration. It was just a matter of which company we were going to choose. And we talked to a handful of them. I mean, there's probably less that we didn't talk to than the ones we did talk to. And she did her research. And for anybody new that has not made their decision on whether it's Restoration 1 or restoration in general, if you've decided that it is restoration that you want to get into, then Restoration 1 is the no-brainer to me. Just the support we've had from day one has made it very easy to get started.